Africa basil or scent leaf is one of the newly found medicinal plants that may be used as a source for a new medication or as an alternative therapy for a number of illnesses. It is an aromatic perennial herbaceous plant that is widely grown and commercially successful. It is found in Africa, Asia, and South America and is a member of the Lamiaceae family. It can be added to fish, meat, soups, and stews as a natural flavoring, condiment, or vegetable. A number of illnesses, including cough, pneumonia, fever, eye problem, inflammation, anemia, diarrhea, pains, and bacterial and fungal infections, are also treated with it in traditional medicine. Using scent leaf or Africa basil for bad breath. Ingredients. Get the powder form of Africa basil or scent leaf. 1 cup of warm water. Steps. Combine 1 teaspoon of the powder scent leaf with the warm water and wait for 20 minutes. Dosage. Drink 100 milliliters before meal. Before you decide to take any medicinal herb or herbal supplement, be sure to consult with your healthcare professional first. Avoid self-diagnosis and self-medication, always be on the safe side. Subscribe, comment and share to save someone's life.